Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, I am going to discuss why your Spotify keep pausing and how to fix it. So without delaying much, let's start the video. At first, you need to check whether your account is secured or not. Check out if any other person or at any other location your account has been logged in or not. If that's not the case, then the next thing that you have to check is your cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. If your connectivity is poor, then that could be a reason of your Spotify. That could be the reason that your Spotify keep pausing, and improving the connectivity can solve the issue. Next thing that you have to do, if both of the earlier steps are fine, then the next step you need to do is to go to Spotify, click on settings and turn off data saver. As you can see, it has been turned on in my device. I'm gonna turn it off. And then next step that you have to do is go to your phone settings, search for battery saver mode. Now turn off battery saver mode by tapping on the slider button. Once you have done all these 4 steps, your Spotify is definitely gonna work perfectly. If you want to know more about technology, coding, Android tips and tricks, do visit our Gossipfunda blog and start reading. If you have any query, please feel free to mention it down in the comment box. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon in order to receive future notifications. Share the video to your friends. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to